What is that creepy voice? I should go and check it out. Hello? Who's there? What do you want? Hello?
What's going on here? Did you hear that horror voice too? Let's figure this out together.
Who is making that spooky voice?
Is there something hiding in the box?
What's all the commotion about? Did you guys hear something strange too?
Open the damn door, otherwise I'm going to do something.
Hey, what's inside? Is there something mysterious or valuable hidden in there?
Oh no! What is happening over there? I'm curious to know too. Open the door, otherwise I'm gonna call police. Are you going to open? Or I should call police? Oh no, please! Someone please help me! Oh no! Oh no! Please help! Please help! Someone please!
Oh, what are you going to do? Oh man, no, please help. Someone call the police.
Who is next? Come here.
Please leave me. I swear I won't call the police. Please leave me. Let me go. Help me. Help me. Please help.
Okay, come on, let's fight. You monster, I will not let you win. I will not go with you. You monster. Oh no, what are you doing? Help! Someone please call the police.
Hello, this is Alex. I saw the spooky hands coming from the box. It is very haunted place. Please come for help.
Who is there? What is inside? What is inside? Please let me know. I can't open the door. Otherwise we will break your door. Open the door. We are breaking. Give us our cars back, please.
Go away.
We will take our cars at any cost. Open the door.
Oh, wait. Give me some time.
Okay, we are waiting.
Oh, take this.
Come on, give us more.
Take this too.
Hey, give us our rest of the cars. We will not go from here. Hey, you zombie monster, are you listening?
1 minute. Oh, take this. Huh, be happy now. Beware the darkness. It wants to swallow you up.
Hello, sir. Please come here. We need to build a bridge. Okay, I'm coming. Dun 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 dun. Here you go. Wow, this is amazing. I've done a good job.
Yes!
Thank you, guys. This bridge is so amazing. That's great. We really wanted this bridge. Thank God we have it now. What a bridge! How cool is this bridge?